night is the cathedral where we recognize the signs. We strangers know each other now, it's part of the whole design. Oh, like a baby that will not fall asleep, curl me up inside you and let me heal through the heat. Oh, you're the jester in this courtyard, a smile like a girl's, distracted by the women who temples and the curve, by the pretty and the mysterious, by the timid and the bliss, the flowing skirts of the ladies who always gather you to their breast. Oh, like a baby that will not fall asleep, curl me up inside you and let me hear you through the heat. Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Salt Fingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting lesson playthrough. This is a song by Suzanne Vega called Gypsy. Okay, what you heard there was basically half the song, basically the intro, a couple of verses and a couple of choruses. Okay, basically the song just repeats more of the same after that. Okay, you've got everything you need to play the song in what I've just shown you. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, capo on the 2nd fret. Okay, we're doing it in the same key as Suzanne Vega plays the song, which is the key of A, but because we got the capo on the 2nd fret, we're playing it with a sort of a G and C and D type, E minor type chord shapes. Okay, so hopefully you'll join me in a few days time for the breakdown. Thanks very much for watching, listening, and see you soon. Bye for now.